Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus are two of the most highly anticipated smartphones of the year. An official announcement is not currently expected until early August, but, thanks to tipster Steve Hemmerstoffer, we already know what the larger flagship model should look like. Like the Galaxy Note 10 and Galaxy S20 that preceded, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus is going to feature an Infinity-O display coupled with extremely thin bezels and a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. Hemmerstoffer says the panel is now larger than ever at 6.9 inches and it has affected the height of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus measures in at 165 x 77.2 x 7.6 millimeters, according to the information provided today. That makes it a little taller than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus but more compact than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Despite starting the curved edge display trend last decade, in recent months Samsung has taken steps to put an end to it. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus continues those efforts with an almost flat screen that'll undoubtedly be met with praise by S Pen fans. Completing the frontal design is an in-ear speaker embedded along the top edge of the frame. Speaking of which, the frame is believed to be carved out of stainless steel and houses a volume rocker and power key on the right side. Turning the premium flagship over reveals a massive camera bump in the top corner that houses several sensors. To make it more aesthetically pleasing than the controversial implementation on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, though, Samsung has added circular rings around the three main cameras, which help the rectangular periscope shooter blend in more while adding some life to the module. Hemmerstoffer provided no information in regards to the camera specifications, but rumor has it the smartphone's going to incorporate a 108-megapixel main camera alongside an ultra-wide-angle snapper and the aforementioned periscope shooter. Don't expect support for the controversial 100x space zoom feature, however. Sitting next to all of these cameras is an LED flash, a 3D time-of-flight sensor, what could be a laser autofocus system, and a small microphone for capturing video. The two-tone design implemented on the Galaxy S20 Ultra appears to have been removed. The popular S Pen stylus, which is now on the left side, make a return next to a USB-C port and a bottom-firing speaker. Unsurprisingly, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. Powering the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus looks set to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 in the US and the upcoming Exynos 992 inches Europe and other international markets. The former is already used inside the Galaxy S20 Ultra and the latter should be slightly faster than the existing Exynos 990 thanks to a more advanced 6nm manufacturing process. These chipsets are to be coupled with 12GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage as standard, although microSD card support and pricier variants with more storage are to be expected. Like many other high-end smartphones, the Galaxy Note 20 Plus should support a 120Hz refresh rate and 5G networks as standard. That faster performance will be coupled with Android 10 and One UI 2.1 straight out of the box. To handle the increased battery drain, Samsung is reportedly planning a 4500 mAh battery that'll presumably be compatible with support for 45W fast charging.